What is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. If you're a user of Redmi Note 10 Pro, you might get the Google Dialer and MIUI India stable, which does not contain any kind of useful features and some restrictions for you. If you have unlocked bootloader of your device and want to install a custom ROM but you can't survive without MIUI, then Xiaomi EU is a very good alternative for you. It's based on Android version 11. I'm using the MIUI 12.5.3 version here on my Redmi Note 10 Pro. It's working quite good, quite smooth. This is 12.5.3 version. 12.5.4 version is also there, but I was having some issues there, so I thought I should share with you with this one, as it comes with all the MIUI 12.5 features for you. For example, it has some Chinese custom ROM features, for example wallpaper and personalization, which you don't get in the India stable custom ROM or India stable stock ROM. You only get this in Xiaomi EU. You have the super wallpaper support, which you don't get by default in Redmi Note 10 Pro. So all these super wallpapers are present and working perfectly fine. And one of the best thing is these super wallpapers work great with the always on display. Redmi Note 10 Pro has always on display, and they also have the ambient display, which means AMOLED display. And yes, using super wallpapers, AMOLED display, always on display, it's a very great combination. We have all the MIUI 12.5 wallpapers present for you, which you can apply on your device if you want to. Let's just talk about other things. For example, in the terms of always on display, which in the stock MIUI you only get the option of choosing for 10 seconds and like that, but you don't get the always option, and here you have the option to choose the always on. Let me just apply any kind of super wallpaper here. Let's just apply this one. This super wallpaper looks damn cool. Click on apply, and now we already have enabled the always on display, and this is how the always on display is looking like. It's looking damn great. And of course, using an AMOLED device for this always on display, you should definitely use. And yes, if you have unlocked bootloader and want to install a custom ROM, can't survive without MIUI, you should definitely install this. This is a Xiaomi EU custom ROM. I am also using some modes here, which I'll tell which I will tell about later on. We have all these features available for you, like display settings. You can customize the refresh rate up to 120 Hz. You can't get 90 Hz, by the way. You have only 60 or 120. Default launcher is the new one. Of course, arrange items and recents. All the important options are present for you, which are useful for your device, which should be used. A lot of users use on their devices. Special features also includes all the options available for you: game turbo, video toolbox, etc. It also has the MIUI dialer, which is one of the main highlights, as Redmi Note 10 Pro has the Google dialer. And so yes, if you want MIUI dialer, MIUI messages, everything is present. Performance is quite smooth, no lags, nothing at all. 120 Hz is working quite smooth. One of the major concern after rooting your device or installing a custom ROM is the safety net status. A lot of users were looking for it, that the safety net status is broken and they were not able to use banking apps on their devices. So don't worry about that. I'm also using Magisk. My device is rooted, unlocked bootloader and installed a custom ROM. But best thing is, if you have rooted your device, you can still pass the safety net status without having any issues. This is Xiaomi EU official, so no worries about that. You can simply check out that my safety net status will be passed without having any issues. But one thing you need to keep in mind, that if you root your device, as if you don't root your device, the safety net status still be passed. But if you root your device with Magisk, you need to hide it from the settings. And how to hide it? As you can see, we have already hidden it from settings. You need to hide it and you are good to go. I'm also using dual status bar mode. As you can see, I have two kind of status bar: dual status bar, which you can also do that. Just follow DSB on Telegram, it will find this dual status bar for your device if you want to. Also, I'm using some custom fonts here, which you can also apply if you want to. Harmony OS Sans, which is one of my favorite fonts out there, I'm using it on my device. Else things are actually same. I already have shown you the basic things which you want in a custom ROM, and this Xiaomi EU is a very good alternative for you. Link for this build is in the description, and installation is of course same like other custom ROMs, as it's a MIUI custom ROM, so you need a custom recovery for that. Custom recovery link is also in the description. Install it like other custom ROMs, and if you don't know how to install a custom ROM, search for it. A lot of tutorials are already available on the internet. This is all from today's short and simple video regarding this Xiaomi EU for Redmi Note 10 Pro. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Goodbye. Have a nice day.